Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Good morning, good evening, namaste. Whatever time it is you're watching this video, I wish you a wonderful day. And today on Crypto Bubbles, CRV pumped with nearly 40%, Curve Dow token, pretty good. It's trading right now at $2.37. And let's check out TradingView. Let's start on the daily chart, and today you can see the pump of 11% was pretty good already. Actually, it pumped the fourth day in a row. So right now it comes into the EMA ribbons, and if CRV can break through the EMA ribbons, I guess the next step would be here at $2.90. So first, let's mark some support and resistance lines. So this is nice support. This, of course, resistance. And in this area here, sorry. And this was also resistance or support. So right now we have actually above two resistance above, also the EMA ribbons above, and below here at $1.89 support. So let's check out the Fibonacci retracement. Take it from this low to this high. So it pumped already through the golden pocket, and the next step would be here at $2.46 and then $2.60. Of course, this one here, the next big resistance line, would also be the target. So potentially 16%, so 4% to 16%, something in between this would be the target for right now. So also let's zoom in a little bit and check out the RSI. So the RSI is on the way to the overbought section. And on the hourly chart, it has to come down to cool off a little bit. So maybe we can see here a retest from the golden pocket. So that would be 3% down. Maybe also to retest the EMA ribbons, that would be 6 to 7%. So if you look again on the daily chart and use our fixed range volume profile, then you can see that Curve Dow broke through this most traded volume here at $2.25. So it broke through this. If it also can break through $2.41, then there's a little hole to the next step, to the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So that could be a nice little pump. So guys and ladies, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are new on this channel, then right now subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and also leave a like here on this video if you like this quick updates on different altcoins and Bitcoin. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. And now a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself. So, we see us in the next video, and peace out, guys and ladies.